at this yummalicious and very soft, full of nutrients in form of vegetables and Rawa or semolina Rawa Idlis. Welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and today we are going to make, yes, the Rawa Idli with loads of vegetables into this. The prep work with boiling of the idli stand. I'm not putting much water because then sometimes the steam makes the idli wet. And now the idli molds are being greased. This is the prep work which is very much necessary, which lessens up your cooking time when you're making idlis. So the prep work is ready, as you all can see. And now we will start the actual recipe. I have taken thick semolina or rava. This is around 1.5 cup. It's the thick version, you can see. With 1.5 cup, I am adding 3/4 cup of thick yogurt and water as per need. So this is 1 glass of water, or you can say around 2 cups of water. And slowly and steadily, I'm going to add it, and you can see how I will adjust the consistency. So now I am mixing the curd with the rava, and then I'm going to keep on adding water in small batches so that I adjust the consistency which I require. So here I am just mixing the rava with curd and slowly adding the water in batches. So that is still on the thicker side, because once you keep it aside, again it's going to become more thicker. So just adjusting the consistency slowly and steadily. This is a very, very healthy version of a breakfast. If you want, you can even have it for lunch or dinner, because it is that easy. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to make the tadka ready for this, which will go into the mixture. So I've just taken 1 teaspoon of oil, and as the oil gets heated up, I'm adding half a teaspoon or chutki bhar of asafoetida, a little bit of mustard seeds, and just let it sputter. Now as it gets sputtered, am I going to add curry leaves into this. So I have a dried version of curry leaves. I'll prefer using the fresh version, and this tadka goes into the mix which I have kept aside. So here the tadka is going into this. Now there is 2 stages at which you can add. Either you can add it with the mixture, or you can add it after 10 minutes by keeping it aside. Depends on you how you want. And here is 1 teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste. And these are the vegetables. You can take the vegetables of your choice. I have taken beans, I have taken broccoli, I have taken a little bit of bell pepper and carrots. So whatever vegetables you have, you're just going to see the splash of colors which has come into the mixture, and that is what makes your idli so nutritious, so appealing to your eyes, and so yummalicious. Believe me, it turns out to be very, very yummy. So now again I'm adjusting the water, because the rava has absorbed the water, it has become thick. I'm adding vegetables, then I'm adding now these cumin seeds. So cumin seeds normally you add into the tadka. I forgot, so I'm adding it now. I'm adding salt as per the taste. Little bit of red chili powder. That again I will say as per your taste, because you have already added green chili, so you need to see how much red chilies you want to add into it. Now this is 1 teaspoon of ENO. I'm activating it, putting water into it, and now we won't wait for long. As you know, our idli stand is already ready with the water being boiled. Now I'm going to put it into the idli molds. So I'm going to put around 3/4. I'm not going to completely fill up the idli mold because you need space for it to come up. So here it's about 3/4 and already boiled water. And now I'm closing the lid. Keep it around 10 to 15 minutes. And I just check it once more before taking it down to see that my knife comes clear up. I'm just putting a knife or a spoon, anything as per your choice. Now it is clean. So this has been cooked. And now another tip is just leaving it to cool a little bit for 5 minutes before I scoop out the idlis from the stand. So then it becomes very, very easy to scoop the idlis out of the stand. So I'm just using a spoon and I'm scooping out the idlis from it. See how beautiful it has come up and how easily it has come up and how soft. I'll just show you how soft they are. Look at it and look at the splash of colors and yummylicious taste. I want you to make this, try this, and please send your pictures to me and do tell me how you liked it. Till we meet next time, please like, share and subscribe.